Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong araw na ito ay tungkol po sa advisory ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban po sa Photo Trading International. Nakagawa na po tayo ng review tungkol po dyan sa Photo Trading International at nakita po natin na talaga pong scam yan. Basahin na po natin yung nakapaloob po sa advisory ng SEC laban po sa Photo Trading International. This is to inform the public that Photo Trading International is not authorized to solicit investments from the public. This advisory is prompted by information gathered by the Securities and Exchange Commission that an identified CEO of Photo Trading International under the name of a certain Gia Dutilios Gruben and several agents thereof are soliciting investments from the public, which investment is purportedly to be managed by professional traders and asset managers. Photo Trading International, through its CEO and agents, entices the public to invest online through social media or the internet in at least 10 programs being offered. Makikita nyo na ang pangakong kitaan sa Photo Trading International ay too good to be true at talagang isang scam at Ponzi scheme. Meron daw silang 10 programs at ang pinaka-minimum investment ay 500 pesos hanggang 70,000 pesos. Ang pinakauna sa kanilang program ay yung basic one na 500 hanggang 70,000 pesos daw ang investment at period daw ay 16 days at ang pangakong kitaan o guaranteed profit daw ay 50%. Makikita po ninyo na tagang too good to be true ang pangakong kitaan at napaka-imposible. Lalo na po yung FTT AI Bot version 2 na 10,000 pesos na investment daw sa loob lang na 9 days ay magiging triple daw ang pera mo or triple your money o 300% ang guaranteed profit. So yung 10,000 pesos daw ay magiging 30,000 pesos sa loob lang na 9 days. Alam naman natin na imposible po yung ganyang kalaking guaranteed income kahit na po sa trading. Dahil sa trading po ay wala pong guaranteed. Pwede po kayong kumita pero pwede rin po kayong malugi. Tandaan po ninyo na puro pambobola lang po yung mga companies na yan. Puro pangha-hype lang at hindi naman talaga sila nagte-trade. Hindi sila gumagamit ng mga AIs o ng mga bots at wala talagang trade na nangyayari. Puro mga Facebook Live lang, puro mga pambobola lang. Pero kapag naabot na nila yung quota nila, ay tatakbo na po ang mga yan. Kaya po mga kababayan, umiwas na po kayo dyan sa Photo Trading International. Lalo na po, puro mga papromo na at puro pambobola na po. At na-issue na rin po sila ng advisory ng SEC, kaya tatakbo na po yan. Pero talaga naman po, natatakbo na yan ngayong December kasi puro red flags na po yan. At tandaan nyo po mga kababayan, talaga marami pong mga companies ang tumatakbo kapag papalapit na po ang Kapaskuhan. At katulad po ng iba pang mga companies at mga Ponzi scheme ay nag-o-offer din ng referral bonus yung Photo Trading International at ang kanilang referral bonus or yung DRB ay 10 hanggang 12.5% ng investment na natanggap ng kumpanya mula sa referrals na ginawa ng mga members. So mga kababayan, yung Photo Trading International po ay puro mga red flags na po. Kaya wag na po kayo sumali dyan at wag na rin po kayo mag-invite dahil kawawa lamang po yung mai-invite nyo dahil hindi na po sila makakakuha ng payout dahil patakbo na po yung scam na Photo Trading International. The investment offering by Photo Trading International constitutes soliciting of investments from the public as the investors are enticed to invest money amounting from 500 pesos up to 70,000 pesos. And in turn, such investment will earn guaranteed profits ranging from 20% to 360% in just 9 to 35 days, which is in clear violation of Sections 8, 26, and 28 of the Securities Regulation Code or SRC, and Sections 11 in relation to Section 3F of Republic Act No. 11765, otherwise known as the Financial Products and Services Consumer Protection Act. In this regard, the public is made aware that an investment contract, which is a kind of security, exists When there is an investment or placement of money in a common enterprise with a reasonable expectation of profits to be derived primarily from the efforts of others, which is prominent in the scheme of Photo Trading International. As such, the SRC requires that securities must first be registered with this commission before it can be offered and or sold to the public, and that the concerned entity and or its agents should have the appropriate registration and or license to offer and or sell such securities to the public. Based on the Commission's database, Photo Trading International is not registered as a corporation, one-person corporation, or a partnership and operates without the necessary license and or authority to solicit, accept, or take investments or placements from the public, nor to issue investment contracts and other forms of securities defined under Section 3 of the Securities Regulation Code or SRC. Further, the Financial Products and Services Consumer Protection Act or FCPA also prohibits investment fraud, which is defined under the law as any form of deceptive solicitation of investments from the public, which includes Ponzi schemes and such other schemes involving the promise or offer of profits or returns sourced from the investments or contribution made by the investors themselves, and the offering or selling of investment schemes to the public without a license or permit from the SEC. The scheme employed by Photo Trading International is a Ponzi scheme where money from new investors are used in paying fake profits to prior investors. It is designed mainly to favor its top recruiters and prior risk takers and is detrimental to subsequent participants if new investors become scarce. The offering and selling of securities in the form of investment contracts using the Ponzi scheme, which is fraudulent and unsustainable, is not a registrable security. The Commission will not issue a license to sell securities to the public to persons or entities that are engaged in this business or scheme. Mga kababayan, umiwas po kayo sa Ponzi scheme dahil yung pong mga Ponzi scheme ay sigurado pong tataob sa huli kapag wala na po silang ma-recruit o kapag naabot na po nila yung quota nila. Kaya po mga kababayan, huwag kayo maniniwala doon sa sinasabi ng iba na kapag maaga ka daw or kapag ikaw daw yung nauna ay kikita ka daw. Dahil meron po mga companies na sa umpisa pa lang ay tumataob na po. Meron po mga companies na sa unang linggo pa lang ay tumatakbo na. Meron mga umaabot ng buwan, meron ilang buwan, merong di umaabot na 1 taon o 2 taon. Pero alam naman natin na sa huli, tumatakbo pa rin po sila. Accordingly, the Commission warns all unscrupulous individuals and or entities that strict penalties are imposed for violations of the Securities Regulation Code, the Revised Corporation Code of the Philippines, and such other laws, rules, and regulations enforced by the Commission. At babala po para sa mga umaaktong salesmen, brokers, dealers, or agents of Photo Trading International vis-a-vis Gia Gruben, Jomar Medolyar, and Risa Paula Maranyo in convincing people to invest in the offered scheme, and those involved in solicitations and recruitment through the internet may be prosecuted and held criminally liable under Section 28 of the SRC. They can face a maximum fine of 5 million pesos or penalty of 21 years of imprisonment or both pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. In view thereof, the public is advised not to invest or stop investing in any investment scheme being offered by Photo Trading International vis-a-vis Gia Gruben, Jomar Medolyar, and Risa Paula Maranyo, as well as to any other entities having the same or similar schemes, and to exercise caution in dealing with any individuals or group of persons soliciting investments or recruiting investors for and on behalf of Photo Trading International vis-a-vis Gia Gruben, Jomar Medolyar, and Risa Paula Maranyo. Umiwas na po kayo sa Photo Trading International, pati na rin po sa Gains Philippines, dahil yan po ay mga scams at yan po ay mga Ponzi schemes, at na-issue na rin po sila ng advisory ng SEC. Kung meron po kayong impormasyon tungkol po sa kahit na anong investment solicitation, activities ng kahit na sino individual o grupo na individual on behalf of Photo Trading International vis-a-vis Gia Gruben, Jomar Medolyar, and Risa Paula Maranyo, ay pwede nyo pong isend ang inyong report sa Enforcement and Investor Protection Department na Securities and Exchange Commission sa kanilang email na epd@sec.gov.ph. Ito pong advisory ay inilabas noong December 5, 2023. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.